This video shows you the reasons why you cannot find videos on an SD card and how to retrieve deleted videos from SD card. There are a lot of reasons why you cannot find videos on an SD card. 1. Accidental deletion of a video file from SD card. 2. Virus infection or bad sector on SD card. 3. Formatted SD card. 4. SD card gets corrupted or inaccessible. 5. Malware deletion of video files that have not been used for a long time. 6. Improper removal or ejection of SD card when transferring videos to or from computer. 7. Power failure during video transfer or usage. 8. Wrong usage of SD card on multiple devices or devices with different operating systems. 9. Other unknown reasons. Coolmuster Lab Phone for Android is a SD card video recovery app which supports to conduct video recovery from SD card of various removable storage devices. 1. Install and launch Coolmuster Lab Phone for Android on your computer and enter an Android recovery module from Toolbox. 2. Choose SD card recovery mode on the top menu. Take out the SD card from your device and insert it to computer via an SD card reader. Then click Next and tick the disk drive you wish to scan, and click Next to start scanning. 3. After scanning, you will see all recoverable files in this interface. Choose videos from the left window, check videos you want to recover from the right window, and tap Recover below to recover deleted videos from SD card. After the whole process is complete, you will solve the problem. How to recover deleted videos from memory card.